Shiba Inu family, what's happening? Will the treat token launch with Shibarium? Well, Shiba Inu content creator Lucy Shib asked Shytoshi in a private chat if the treat token would be launched alongside Shibarium. Shytoshi confirmed that treat will not be released with Shibarium, calling the two developments separate. So here was his exact quote. And I know there's been a lot of questions surrounding treat, and I want to take you inside this right here from Watcher Guru. No, not at the same time. They are very separate. Shibarium will utilize the tokens in the ecosystem, but is not the entity responsible for minting. Just a piece of tech and some guys who want the best for SHIB. Therefore, Shibarium will be the first development to be released. Token will be launched at a later time. The confirmation comes at a time when a handful of fake tokens taking the Shiba Inu ecosystem's name are being launched in the markets. Now, some of these will actually be utilized in Shibarium, right? So it's going to be really hard to kind of parse this out. Now, there has been some information that we're going to be, given kind of a portal where we can actually see what the official coins are, things that are actually working alongside Shibarium, those projects that actually get in touch with the devs. So that'll help us because it's very, very hard to sift through a lot of the various tokens out here. POSwap has been crushing it. They are building on top of Shibarium, but it's not a Shibarium ecosystem token, right? So parsing out the difference here. But that's your insight and your up-to-date information on Treat and when it'll launch. So no, not at the same time. They're very separate, but we'll get more information on Treat, which will be the new rewards token. So it was first introduced in a blog post back in July 2022, highlighting it would be the new rewards token of the SHIB ecosystem. The blog stated that Treat is quietly in design and its use cases will be well-defined and outlined. The token will also derive rewards for the upcoming metaverse and find uses in the Shiba Inu collectible card game, Shiba Eternity. So that is our understanding of Treat token now. More insight and information when it's available, I'll bring it to you right here on the channel. Make sure you guys are locked in. Subscribe down below. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.